of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge...
What is up, you guys, man? Welcome back to the channel. Look, I know you guys been asking me for this, so I'm like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and give them a demo. So I'm gonna give you guys just straight bass, okay, for 7 minutes straight, 8. I'm gonna pick a 2 or 3 songs for you guys so you guys can see. So right now it's temporarily literally just plugged up to my Honda Accord because I'm still working on this. As you guys can see, I'm still working on it. So the speaker wire terminals are hooked up. It is gonna be on a T2500 watt amp, and pretty much I gotta change my battery, so that's why I'm not hooking it up to this battery, because I don't want to mess it up. This Honda right here literally has 3 batteries, okay? It has 1 excess power battery in the back, 1 excess power battery in the front, then it has a 10 farad Rockford Fosgate capacitor. So pretty much I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna do with this charger. So I'm gonna go with the compact amp, so that way they're less, they're the smaller ones. I'm gonna show you guys the same thing that's in my Honda, and I'm just gonna change out the 4 speakers to Power Series 6x9s, and then I'm gonna go with 4 tweeters in here. So that way I'm not really, it's kind of overkill to really put too much sound in here when I'm just really just trying to, you know, eventually, you know, race this car once I'm done with it. But so that's why I'm going with just the compact amp. And pretty much I'm gonna wire it to where I can take it in and out. I know how to take it in and out. So what else? Yeah, so this charger is really getting a full sound system upgrade. So the first bass song that I'm gonna do for you guys is Suicide Boys. This is called LTE Rebass, and this is at 35 to 95 hertz. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, doors are closed. Go. Let it work its way in. All right. Hey, look, what you guys thinking about that? Now, You guys probably want to know where my amp is tuned to on my Honda. So I tuned it down to, I set the gain to number 4. Now I can pump this thing to like 7, but I still gotta break this subwoofer in. So that's gonna give you guys more of an idea. So this thing is hitting hard. So let's go ahead and play another song. This one is Back to the Hotel, rebased at 34 to 38 hertz, slowed down. Let's see what the thing sound like. This one is Back to the Hotel. This one is rebased. The link is going to be in the description down below. So if you guys do want to hear that one, that's what this song is. What this thing sound like inside the cabin. Let's close this door. Take this bag. All right. I'm gonna roll this window down and we're gonna see if this bag moves. Got my phone connected to the charger, so let's try this again. Hey, look, you guys cannot tell me that does not slap. Okay, you cannot tell me that that does not slap. You know, this thing, it's a monster, man. It's a monster. Believe it or not, you guys, I built this box, and this box hits a whole lot harder than the one in the Honda. A whole lot harder. Like, I don't know, I feel like I built the box better. Like, everything literally cost me, the wood, 50, the acrylic, I think it was like 60, 70. Then the carpet I got for like 35 bucks. So you guys do the math. How much it literally cost me to build my own box. Not even to mention, okay, well, I forgot about the paint. 2 rattle cans from Walmart, Rust-Oleum. I got 2 black cans and sprayed the inside, and I put clear coat all in the inside, so that way it's kind of smooth. Hey, man, look, this is the T213 on a T2500 watt amp. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys something. I actually had my friend tested his 1500 watt Rockford Fosgate amp. It gave us some beat, but it wasn't beating like this. Now, he has 2 Rockford Fosgate T112s, but I told him that he needs to put his in a bigger box. He needs to put his in a bigger box, but that's up to him. But I got this junk literally test right here. I'm about to play a song, and I'm gonna see if this subwoofer is powerful enough to move this alternator. If everybody knows, alternators are heavy. So let's go ahead and put this to the test. Next song I'm gonna play is Juice Box, and this is low bass. Well, you guys, you got your demo. I hope you guys did like this video. If you guys got any more suggestions that you guys want me to play, comment them down below. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm doing it all. I'm doing a whole build, sound system, engine, every single thing, okay? Don't let nobody tell you how you should build your car. That's just point blank, period. If you're not gonna do it for free, then I advise you to do this. Well, that's gonna basically solve it up. So if you're not gonna do that, don't tell me how to do something. That's all I'm gonna tell you guys, because I'm doing it how I wanna do it. I wanna see y'all do this by yourself. I know there's some guys out there that'll do it by themselves, but I wanna see a lot of y'all do this by yourself. So with that being said, man, this is a Rockford Fosgate T213 on a T2500 BD Rockford Fosgate amplifier monoblock. Okay, so a lot of people gonna ask me how much did I pay for it. So pretty much the subwoofer was 13 and the amp I believe was, I gotta go back and look because I got it on sale. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, you know what I'm saying, don't let nobody tell you guys how you should build your car. So without further ado, you guys, chase your dreams. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. This is my first time building a box, and this thing slaps hard. Like, the dimensions on this box is actually, the thing, the subwoofer called for 4 cubic inches or something like that. But I made this literally a foot more bigger. So I made it like a 1.5 foot more bigger than what it was actually calling for. Just to give you guys an FYI, the bigger the box, the more it's gonna hit, okay? So if you actually going like with spec, it may not hit it as hard, okay? Like in my Honda, I think that's probably at spec, but this box is way bigger than the one that's in the Honda. You guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys wondering why my hoodie changed, it's because the file, when I did my outro, messed up. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make sure I make this outro. But without further ado, if you guys got a dream, chase it. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.